Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella. So as you know, Mid-Autumn Festival is coming up, so I'm thinking why not paint this purple yam mooncake. I recently purchased this light box and this is my very first time to try it out, and I figured it's very useful. So this light box is for people who probably just started to learn how to painting and figure that sketching part is very overwhelming. So this light box can help you trace the line of the reference picture. The light box is quite thin, however it's pretty sturdy, and when I tried to paint it, I didn't feel it's bented. By touching the power button, I can adjust the brightness of the light, and I'm just turning this on to the most brightest one and it works perfect for me. So let's get started. As usual, I will list the information of this light box and all the supplies I'm using today in the description box. Please check it out. After tracing the outliner of the mooncake, I decided to use masking fluid to cover the middle detail, middle pattern in the mooncake and have it dry by heater. Here we go. Step 3, first wash. The first wash is quite light. I'm using lemon yellow, mixing with some orange, some brown. And as you can see from the reference picture, the light is coming from left and top, so all the darker color will be setting on the right hand side and the shadow will be on the right hand side as well. In order to make this picture a little more interesting, I'm adding some plants. This one is osmanthus. In Chinese, it's 桂花. Now we are moving on to step 4, to adding more shade so that the picture can look more three-dimensional. Step 5 is to remove masking fluid and add more details. The last step is to adding some outliner. The color I'm using is dark brown, but it does look like black. The reason I'm using it is to make the mooncake more popping out, but actually I think it's not really necessary, so it's really your preference. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.